Okay, now first of all, tell me how many of you got the printout? Aditya, are you joining this class for the first time?
No, ma'am.
But I am watching you for the first time.
Oh, sorry.
That means you never switch on your video. Am I right? There are few students, I don't know why they do not switch on their video.
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance to print it because today only we got the.
Yeah, you got the access today only, no problem. But what about other students? How many of you got the book?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Like in the book, shall we like do it at home or like?
I'll be telling you. Sometime we would be using it in the class, and sometime I'll be giving you pages in the homework. So I have told you that you have to keep two things. First, the book which I have given you. Second, one extra copy. Because we are going to do a lot of practice in the class also. So for that, you need copy. Okay. And later on, I will update all the worksheet. Whenever I do any worksheet with the screen, you know, when I share my screen, you just write the heading because I will upload all those sheets on the Google Classroom. Okay. So today, first of all, what we are going to do?
Ma'am, I have took the printout, ma'am.
Show me. Good. Yes.
Ma'am, now I have phone. Yesterday I have computer, so I cannot open the book. So can I
Okay.
do today?
Yes. Ipshita, did you get your tool?
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, I can see. Very good.
Not
Did you
yet.
get your tool?
We're still waiting for it. It's
Okay, no
not
problem.
ready.
You will get it. You will get it. Don't worry.
And are
Okay.
you talking about the book that has 16 pages? That
Not
one?
16 pages. There are 78 pages.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That is a complete PDF containing 78 pages. Right?
Okay.
So you need to download and you have see like Sanjita has got the printout now. The same book is there. See, she is
Can
showing
you
her book.
show it? Can
Yes.
you show it? Can you see?
See, Kusumanjari is also showing. Yes. This is the book. You can see the cover page. This is the cover page of the book. You have to get this book, okay? And that is available on the Google Classroom. So today, first of all, we are going to write the compliments in every. Yes, Nitin. Yes.
So do we have to like complete every page of the book?
I'll be telling you which page you have to do after the class. Okay, suppose if we are doing practice of any particular compliment, so I'll be giving you page related to that only. Okay, sometime you will be doing in class also, because right now you did not get the printout, all of you. That's why I'm not doing work in the book. Okay, that is why I'm giving you extra practice so that you will be comfortable and you won't need my help while doing the book. Okay, so I'll be giving 2 to 3 pages in every class. So now, first of all, we are going to write the compliment. You have to maintain a separate copy for the compliments, okay? Because you are going to write compliments in every class with me. So which compliment we have done? Who is, yes, Ipshita, tell me.
5's compliment.
Great, very good. 5's compliment we have done. So, and we have done practice of +1. How do we add +1? Who is going to tell me?
We've already.
Ma'am, ma'am, please can I?
Yes, okay, Kusumanjali, you tell me.
Ma'am, we should add 4 and bring down 5 and minus all 4s.
Okay, Ipshita, now you tell.
+1 minus 4.
Ruchika, you tell.
It's +5 minus 4.
Excellent, Ruchika. Ipshita, it's not +1, it is +5, because when we bring down upper beat, that means that is 5. Okay, so
Right.
+1 is equals to +5 minus 4. Okay, Kusumanjali, this is how you have to speak. So I'm just sharing my screen and you start writing. Okay. So put the heading 5's complement. Wait, it's not working properly. After that, first of all, start writing friends. Who is the friend of 1?
4.
Very
ma'am.
good. Who is the friend of 2? Tell me.
Ma'am,
3.
3.
Who is the friend of 3?
Ma'am,
2.
2.
Very good. And who is the friend of 4?
1.
Okay, now plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Plus 3 is equals to plus 5 minus 2.
3. 3.
Why it isn't?
2.
Plus 4 is equals to plus 5 minus 1. Done?
Ma'am, give me a minute, ma'am.
Okay, now start writing it and note it down properly.
I'm
Okay,
done.
you know, when we do visualization, I send the video, all the videos in the group. Do you ask your parents to see those videos? That ma'am has sent some videos, so please watch that video.
No, ma'am, I don't ask my father or mother, ma'am. Because they'll be
Ma'am,
busy in their work, ma'am. I can't do anything, even if that.
And
I
what
tell
about
them.
other students? How many of you tell your parents that ma'am has sent some video? Please watch it.
Ma'am,
How
I
many?
will tell you. Ma'am, I will tell.
Okay. Videsh, very good.
Yeah,
And what about Hitesh and Shivesh?
Videos.
Sanskriti?
Instead, my parents say I have to watch the videos.
Your parents says
Ma'am, I have watched all the videos, ma'am.
they are in the group now.
Ma'am.
Yeah, so
Ma'am?
tell them, ma'am is sending all the videos in the group. You have to watch all the videos, okay?
I just
Ask
searched
them,
on YouTube.
tell them
I
that we
I
solve
just-
question fast. Yes.
I just searched on YouTube the YouTube channel's name and then I watched all.
Okay. Yes,
Mom
Nitin.
watches
Wait.
all the
One by
videos.
one. I'm talking to everybody. Don't worry. Yes, Nitin.
My mom watches all the videos.
Very good. You
Ma'am?
have to tell your parents. Watch the video. Yes.
Ma'am, I have checked the videos. I have missed this Sunday's video.
Okay. Videsh, you have missed the video, but I'm talking about the videos of visualization. I always make short videos when you do questions. Now you solve all the question orally, and I send all those video on the WhatsApp group. So check those
Ma'am, I have
videos
seen
also.
those.
Oh, I've not seen those videos. I'll check.
Always check.
I
Okay.
have seen those videos.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I will go tell my mom right now.
Yes. Okay. Have you written? Finished?
Yeah, ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. So now
Yes, ma'am.
let's do some tool practice. Okay. I will stop sharing my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Now let's start some tool practice. After that, I'll be sharing my screen and you have to solve the questions. So as in the last class, we solved all the question of +1. Today you are going to solve question of +2. Only one complement will be there. +2 is equals to +5 minus 3. So keep your tool in front of you and clear all the beads. Clear all the beads. Yes, Sanjita, very good. Sanjita, you have this big tool and your brother is having very small tool. Why?
Ma'am, he's just comfortable with a small tool.
Okay, he is no problem, no problem. Okay, Kusumanjri, you have to buy the tool like they all are having, okay? Yeah, clear, okay. Very good, very
Ma'am, do we
good.
have to make that tool visible to you,
Who is asking this?
Ruchika?
Ipshita, yes, your tool is visible.
Ma'am, do we need to make the
Kusumanjri,
tool visible to you?
okay,
also?
I am announcing the name.
Ma'am,
I can see Nitin's tool, I can see Ipshita's tool, Kusumanjri, Sanchita, Shivesh, Videsh, Akshara, Sanskriti, I can see your tool. Vedika, why can, yeah, now I can see Vedika's tool also. Venugopal, where is your tool? You are on mute.
I'm in a laptop, sir, and then you can't see.
ma'am,
But it's not
this
okay.
tool can we get from ordinary stationery shops, ma'am?
Yeah, you will get this tool on ordinary stationery also. And it is
Okay.
easily available on online. Okay,
Okay,
now
ma'am.
let's start question 3. Plus 1 plus 1. You have to speak the complement. Plus 5 minus 4. And what's the answer?
Ma'am, we speak
Ma'am,
from
it's
it if we put chaos, ma'am.
Five. Ma'am,
Wait,
the
Five
answer
is
is
answer.
Wait. First of all, keep yourself on mute and speak one by one. Shreyasi, you were saying something. Shreyasi,
Chaos, ma'am.
tell me, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I told this now.
Tell me again. Because I was getting so
Ma'am,
many
that-
voices.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that if we all tell at once only, ma'am, that 5 plus
Yes,
5 minus
that is what.
4,
That
then
is
it will
why.
be chaos.
Yes. Yes, there is a chaos because you don't speak together. Okay, now I will count 1, 2, 3, and at the count of 3, you have to speak. Okay, now let's start. Clear all the beats. Ready? 3 plus 1 plus 2. Now what's the complement? Plus 5 minus 3. And answer should be 6. Yeah, Ruchika,
Ma'am,
great.
it is six.
Kusumanjri,
six.
great. Sanskriti, correct. Vedika, correct. Shreyasi, correct. Akshara, correct. Nitin, correct. Very good. Where is...
Ma'am, I can't show my tool because I'm on my iPad, and then whenever I show it,
Okay, no problem. Okay, I understand. No problem. So, yeah, Ipshita, I can see your answer. Very good. Okay, and where is Shivesh? Okay, I got it. Now clear the beats. Let's do next question. Make 9 minus 1 minus 5 plus 2.
Five.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Kusumanjri, it's wrong. How did you add 5? How did you add 2? You were very good, Ipshita. Correct. Nitin, wrong. Because you had 3 now. And I asked you to add 2. Make it again. Clear the beads and make 3. Vedika, wrong. Make 3. Everybody make 3. Make 3 on your 2.
Ma'am, it's mine,
It's
right?
clear and make 3. Yes. Now in 3, if you have to add 2, what you have to do? Simply plus 5. For plus 5, bring 5 down. And minus 3. Remove 3. And what's the answer? Answer is 5. Okay. Clear? But if you have 4 and then you add 2, then plus 5 minus 3, so you get 6. Now I'm sharing my screen, and as you know how to we solve the question, and you know how to write the answer in chat. Okay, I'm not going to see 10 messages at a time. I want all 10 questions in single message. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Now you can change change your screen. Wait. I will share it again. Move your screen up. And I hope you are having your copy with you to write the answers. First 10 questions, answer checking. After that, next 10 questions. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing. I was telling to do it Zoom.
Zoom. I have already done it. So these are the 10 questions you have to do. Start doing. Once you finish,
Ma'am,
answer in chat. Yes.
ma'am, this PDF, ma'am, like, even if we want printout, ma'am, what, like, from where do we get it? How do we get it?
On the Google Classroom. I have uploaded the book, and these PDF which I'm sharing in the classes, that will also, these PDF also I will upload. And you know, if you are not able to get the printout, write down the question in a copy. You can do that thing also. Now start doing all these questions. After that, I'm going to check the answers. And try to do fast. Kusumanjri, are you able to do?
Ma'am, I'm trying it, ma'am.
Try it.
Okay.
You know the complement, na? Then you will be able to do it. And see, for your convenience, I have written the complement also. Wait, I'm showing you. Here's the complement. +2 is equals to +5 - 3.
Ma'am, starting I felt so hard, ma'am, because of that 2 plus wala that thing, ma'am.
No, it's not hard.
They're very long. It's gonna take time.
In
No,
the last class also, you did 10 rows. And these are also 10 rows. Why hard?
Wait, ma'am, weren't the other questions like only like 4, 4 or 5?
Ma'am, I have not attended the Sunday one.
Very good. You should have watched the video, na? Now you
Sir,
will
I
be
can't.
Yeah, ma'am, I watched all the videos, but
You
my
cannot
fingers
find.
are not clear.
No, ma'am, I have searched it.
Where did you search?
In classroom and in your YouTube channel.
Okay. In Google Classroom, I think the complete playlist has been posted by the sir. But if you go to YouTube, there you will find the video. Let me check the date of last Sunday. I guess it was 18th. Am I right? It was 18th now, 18th September. Wait. I'm just telling you. It is in Abacus 2.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
previous week, I have not attended Saturday or Sunday. I don't know when day it was.
Here's okay. It was Saturday. Let me check. I think I have made a mistake. Okay, one video is not
I'm
posted.
done.
Today I will
Ma'am,
do it. Done? Start
Yeah.
sending your answers. Start sending your answers.
I have a question.
Yes, Ipshita, tell me.
Like in question way.
In question 1,
No, 5.
5, you tell me.
Wait. Let me do it again. But I forgot my question.
Now who is sending the answers? Wait, okay. Vedika and Hitesh. I'm checking your answers, okay?
I don't get how to minus the 3 when we have 7.
-3. Wait, I'm telling you.
Like on the tool it's
Direct.
7.
See, -6, then +7. You got 8?
Yeah.
Then you can directly subtract 3. It's very easy.
Oh.
Okay, now now I'm just taking the answers. Just a second, huh?
I'm done.
Send your answers. I'm checking Hitesh, answers of Vedika and Hitesh.
Ma'am, I have done.
Vedika, you made a mistake. Vedika, do question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, it's not Vedika. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vedika, 5th wrong, 6th wrong. Then 7th correct. Then last 3 wrong. No, 7th is also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to send me 10 answers. Vedika, after 4, do all questions. Now, Hitesh, I'm checking your answers. All correct, Hitesh. Very good. Now, Kohinoor, I'm checking your answers. Kohinoor, first wrong. Just a second. Huh? Wait. Kohinoor, first wrong.
Ma'am, I have seen them.
Wait. Kohinoor, you have sent only 9 answers. These are not 10, okay? So, first send me all 10 answers. After that, I'll be matching and do first question again. After that, share C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Shersi, you have sent 11 answers. Although I think you repeated 0. All answers are correct. Videsh, do 5th question again. And 10th question again. 2 mistakes. 5th, 10th. After Videsh, Sanchita.
Ma'am, I guess I did that that 7th question once again, ma'am.
Send me answers again. Sanchita,
The
second
same answer
question
you take,
wrong.
removing the 0.
Second wrong. Third wrong. Rest of them are correct. Second and third, do again. Now Vedika, in the last two answers you have sent 9. Do those two questions again. Do 9th and 10th question again. Now Shresi, all correct.
Ma'am, I sent mine.
Ruchika, do second question again.
Okay.
Rest of them are correct.
Ma'am, but Ruchika sent it in everyone, ma'am, not personally, ma'am. I mean,
Wait,
privately.
let me change the settings. Now you cannot send to everyone. Now you will be able to send only in. You will be able to see send these answers to me only. I'll be getting answers.
okay.
Don't worry. All of you do it fast and send your answers. Why are you making mistake today? Vedika, send all the answers. Only then I am able to match the answers. And I will be able to tell you correct answer. Yeah, these are the last two. Now write all 10 questions, to all 10 answers. Nitin, second wrong. Rest of them are correct. Nitin, have you copied Ruchika's answers? Same mistake you have made and same answers are there. Vedika, only 9 answers are there. You count. Okay, Nitin, do second question again. Do second answer. Do second one again. Videsh, have you done?
Yes, ma'am. I have done the 5th and 10th one.
Ma'am,
Now send all answer together so that I can match your answers. Now
Ma'am,
who
I
is
did second question.
Shivesh?
Ma'am, are my second and third answer
Yes,
correct?
so
Yes,
many
ma'am.
mistakes are there. Why?
Never mind, ma'am.
Do all questions again, Shivesh. Ruchika, second, do again. You are getting wrong answer.
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Who is asking?
Vedika.
Vedika, you count how many answers you have typed. You have written only 9 answers actually. Na? Aditya, I'm checking your answers. Very good, Aditya. All correct. All answers are correct. Very good.
Ma'am, is second and third answers correct now?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, Sanjita.
Sanchita, wait. Nitin is still wrong. It is still wrong. Sanchita, I'm checking your answers. Second correct. Third correct. Good. Videsh, now all answers are correct. Very good. All answers are correct. Do it fast so that we can do next 10 questions. And do you remember the exercise we did in last class? Did you practice?
Yeah, I practiced it and I'm pretty good
Tanvi
at
and
it.
Tanvi, they have not joined now. Okay.
Ma'am, I have got it perfectly.
Very
The
good.
exercise.
Very good. Do it fast. Very good. Very good.
Now is it correct? I did it all by my own.
Wait. Nitin, I didn't get. Okay, yeah, now it's correct. Vedika, yes, all answers are correct. Now, very good. Ruchika, still second wrong. Do it again.
Ma'am, can you remove your cursor from the 7th question where it says 8?
Wait.
'Cause I-
Yes, who is asking?
Kohinoor, because I can't see what sign it is. Can you
Now
remove
is it
your
fine?
Yeah.
Ruchika, do second question again. Rest of them are correct.
Yeah, I'm doing, ma'am.
Do it fast. I hope all of you have done. You know why I'm asking you to get the printout as soon as possible, because when suppose you have done and rest of the students are doing, so you are free now. So you can do work in your book. Once you finish the question, you can, after that you can do those questions in your book, because I cannot see share two things at a time now. Now I have extra questions, but I'm not able to share because I have already shared one PDF.
Ma'am, can you check my answers? I sent it again.
Wait. Kohinoor, all correct. All answers are correct. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did all the questions my own. I didn't
Very
copy
good.
ones.
Okay. Very good. Very good. All answers are correct. Ipshita, many mistakes today. You know, you got only 2 answers correct. You need to do again and you need to practice. Okay.
Ma'am, I sent.
Okay. Now, shall we do next 10 questions? Ipshita, I think you have not sent request for the Google Classroom. Am I right?
I think I am in the Google Classroom.
You are there in the Google Classroom?
I think so.
You check it and let me know. Okay, because today I will upload these 2 PDF there so that you can do practice again.
Okay,
Even
wait,
though
I'll ask
you
my
are
mom.
getting all the answers correct in the class, still you have to do practice at home.
Okay, I'll ask my mom.
Sure. Now, who has sent the answers? Very good, Kusumanjali. All answers are correct. Perfect.
Ma'am, I sent all the answers.
Yes, excellent, and all the answers are correct. Very good. Okay, now let's do next 10 questions. So here are next 10 questions. Can you see those questions? Start doing these questions now.
I'm in the Google Classroom.
You are there in the Google Classroom?
Mhm.
Okay. So today I will update that and I will upload more PDFs. Now start doing next 10 questions and then we are going to match the answers. Do it fast. Then we'll do one puzzle today, okay? Do it fast. First of all, I will tell you some easy puzzle. After that, I will increase the difficulty level. Do it and start sending your answers. Very good. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I got answers from one student. Wait, I'm checking your answers, okay?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Send me the answers. I'm checking. Okay, I got answers from Vedika and Vedika, third wrong, fifth wrong. Rest of them are correct. Note it down, third and fifth,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Third and fifth. Hitesh. Excellent, Hitesh. All correct. 10 out of 10. And give yourself marks so that you will come to know how many marks you are getting and you have to improve, okay? If you're getting less marks. And 1 or 2 mistake is acceptable, but not more than that. Do it fast and start sending your answers. Very good.
Ma'am, I got disconnected at one place. Ma'am, all of my messages which I typed, ma'am, beforehand, ma'am, it all got deleted, ma'am. Again, how to
Yes,
do
it happens. It happens when you get disconnected. Okay, Kohinoor, I'm checking your answers. Wait. Hitesh, all correct. Kohinoor, excellent. All correct. Vedika, I asked, do fifth question again. It is still wrong. Do it again. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. Very good, Videsh. I'm checking your answers. Videsh, one mistake. Wait, where is Videsh? No. Okay, Videsh. I'm checking Aditya once. Aditya, your one mistake. Your 7th question is you have to do 8th question again.
Okay.
That is wrong. 8th is wrong.
Ma'am, is this right, ma'am?
Wait, I'm checking one by one. Videsh, third wrong. And 5th wrong. And one more wrong. 5th, 6th, 7th wrong. 3 mistakes are there, Videsh. Okay, Vedika, now all correct. Very good. Akshara, these are old answers, I guess. Am I right?
Ma'am, I sent.
Wait, I'm checking one by one. Akshara, these are correct. Last 3 answers are wrong. And now, wait, I'm checking.
Ma'am, did you like get my answers?
Yeah, I'm checking one by Aditya. Okay, I already told you that 7th is wrong. Ruchika, why mistakes? So many mistakes are there. First, second wrong. After, do all questions again. Aditya, now it's correct. 8th one is correct now.
Okay, ma'am.
Kusumanjali, 3rd is wrong. Note down, 3rd question wrong.
Ma'am, did you get my answers?
Wait. Let me speak. I'm checking each and every message. Wait. Kusumanjali, do write down 4th wrong.
Ma'am, mine
And
third
last
wrong.
10th. Wait, I'm speaking. Wait, just a second. 4th wrong, Kusumanjali, and 10th wrong. Okay. Yes. Now tell me who was asking. Now Nitin's answer.
Ma'am, mine third wrong, 5th round, and another one.
Wait, now I need to check. Just give me a second, okay? Nitin, 4th wrong. Rest of them are correct. 4th wrong. Only 4th question wrong. Videsh, wait, I'm checking your answers. Wait. Here's Videsh. Videsh, 3rd wrong. 5th wrong. 7th wrong. And now note it down. Write down the number.
Ma'am,
And
did you get
the
my,
question again, okay? Only one mistake is there.
ma'am, did you get my answers, Sanjita?
Sanjita, no, I didn't get.
Ma'am, I posted it. Okay, ma'am, I'll send it again.
Ma'am, is this correct, ma'am? Mine.
Akshara.
Yeah, ma'am.
Akshara, 1st wrong, 2nd wrong, 3rd wrong. Okay, these are old answers. Wait. These are old answers.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I got disconnected, so I rejoined.
Okay. Akshara, last 2 answers are. I am feeling like you have mixed the answers. Last 3 answers are wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Last 3 answers are wrong. Do you have the older questions?
Yeah, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Nitin, now it's correct.
Ma'am, I'm getting the third one as 7 only, ma'am.
Okay, Kusumanjali, let me check. Maybe I told you the wrong number. Just a second. Let me check your answers now. Here is Kusumanjali. Kusumanjali, 3rd is wrong. 4th is wrong. Sorry. 4th one wrong. 3rd is correct. 4th is wrong. Very good, Videsh. All correct. Excellent. I think we have done so many questions. Now we should stop working. Okay. And I will upload this PDF. So kindly do practice at home. Okay. Now we'll stop sharing my screen. Now I'm giving you one puzzle. Unmute yourself now. Unmute yourself. Here I'm giving you one puzzle and that is easy. Okay. So I will draw it on the whiteboard, right? And you have to solve. And it is related to maths only. So just a second. Let me clear the whiteboard. Can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will draw some picture here. Just a second. And listen to me very carefully, okay? Can you see one box?
Yeah.
Okay, here I will make some lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now on the other side, 8. 1. Oh. 2.
Okay with it. I mean,
3. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Now I will start writing here and some blanks will be there. Okay, let's change the color of the pen so that you will not get confused. 6 plus, now this box is blank. You have to keep one number here and answer will be 14. Now it's not that much easy as we are thinking. 6 plus some number here, answer will be 13. Now, here also, question mark plus
1,
9
2, 3,
is
4.
equals to answer.
I've done kind of like something like
Wait. But here it should be 16. And here you will find the answer. This is the puzzle. Mute yourself, everybody. Mute yourself.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, some plus symbols, minus symbols are not there.
Plus symbols are there.
Some plus symbols are not there.
There are symbols.
7 plus 9.
Ma'am, 13, but
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mom, I'm done.
Done?
Ma'am, yeah.
Okay. So I'm giving time to each and every student. Try one number here, 13. One number here, answer should be 14. Now, if you keep any number here, if you add 9 in that number, answer, and here answer. And it's very easy now. After that, I will increase the difficulty level, okay?
I'm done.
14 minus 16. And right now, only plus is there. I'm not giving any other sign. Slowly and gradually, I will include minus, multiply, divide. 8 plus.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done. Very good. Now I cannot ask answer for the chat.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Very good.
Ma'am, this is kind of easy.
It's kind of easy. I know it is easy. After that, I'm going to give a difficult one. Don't worry. Okay, before next class, I'll send one puzzle in homework and we'll discuss that in the class. Okay.
Now I'm done.
Done. Good, good, good. Very good. So, shall we discuss the answers?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am doing the last two answers.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, should I send my answers in the chat box?
No, then how will I come to know whether it is the answer of horizontal line or vertical line?
Mom, you can do 5 plus the answer equals to 14. And then in
Yeah, like that.
That
ma'am.
means you will write each and every question. Yeah, that's great idea, Shivesh. Yes, send me the answer. Nice.
Ma'am, I have sent like that.
Okay.
I have sent.
You are intelligent than me. Very good. Very good. Correct. Okay. For those I'm telling the that answer is correct. You can start leaving the class.
Silent. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yes, I'm telling. Videsh, your answers are correct. Yes, send me send these answer in chat box. You can leave the class. Ruchika, only
Okay,
one
ma'am.
equation.
Yeah,
Hitesh,
yeah, ma'am. I'm sending. I'm still sending all. Do
Okay.
I also do the 14 plus 16, or is that just
Very
random?
good. Very good.
Ma'am, do I do the 14 plus 16, or do I just leave it like that?
6 plus 8, 15.
Wait.
Hitesh.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes. Very good, Shivesh. He has sent answer in the perfect way. Yeah. Who is having the question? Okay, let's discuss this puzzle. After that, I will end this class. Okay. So I'm just writing the answers. See, if you add any number, you will get 14. So what should be the number here? Who is going to tell me?
8.
Yes. 8. Now, if you add 8 and 9, what will you get?
We'll get 17.
17.
Perfect.
17.
Now, one number should be there and you will get 13. What should be
Ma'am,
that?
I have sent you, ma'am.
7.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have sent you.
I know.
Seven.
7.
7.
But
Ma'am,
you
I
have
have
to check. Is 7 plus 9 is equals to 16?
Yes.
If yes, only then your answer is correct. If not, then it will be wrong. So it's correct. Now, 13 plus
Ma'am,
17.
30.
30.
3 is
30.
Very good. Very good. So we'll do these type of puzzle in every class. Okay. So now I'll be
Excuse
ending
me.
the session, and those who have not done the feedback work, you have to finish. Very good, Sanchita. Very good.
Ma'am,
Now I'm
I
ending.
have sent in chat box, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.